So first of all, get yourself some a frying pan and drop some vegetable oil inside of it. Alright, just like this. And then what I'm gonna do, I got some steak left over. I'm gonna put them in the frying pan. Just like this. This is some leftover steak. Alright. So if you have some leftover steak at home, do not throw it in the bin. This is a recipe for you. Alright. Give you a beautiful recipe this evening. What you can make at home, alright? You guys gonna love this one. Trust me. It's gonna be fantastic and amazing. Look at this now. Alright, then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna be using the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice. I'm gonna be using the Arrival, which is here. I have it right here with me. It is here. Alright? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some red onion cut up. Alright. Yeah, red onion inside of it. So I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do. That's some leftover steak, which I have left over, and I cut it up, and I'm gonna show you what you can do at home with it. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. So if you never tried this before, this is gonna be a very important one for you today from Chef Ricardo. So tune in and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright, now we got some pepper. I'm gonna go inside of it with some pepper. Alright, you can have this with rice, whatever you like to have it with. Alright, so trust me guys, we're gonna something different. I decide to go now. Alright, we just decide to just chop. We're going to something different this evening, so 100% you guys gonna love this one. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright? Yeah. This is going to be an amazing one from Chef Ricardo today. So we got the steak in the pot. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just cut up some more vegetables. That's the vegetable. We got some carrot. Alright. Alright, that's the carrot. Beautiful and nice. Look at that. Oh my god. Got some tomato inside of it. Because I love my vegetable, alright? So you have to have vegetable in this. Lots of vegetables, tomato, and all them things there. Alright? Yeah man, look at that. Alright? So that look nice? Yeah. That looking fantastic and amazing. Alright? Yeah. That looking lovely guys. So as you can see for yourself, now we got some pork chop. Alright. Pork chop on top of it. Look at this, guys. Simple one from Chef Ricardo. It's easy. That looking amazing guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we're going to be using the Arrival. Alright, this is on the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice. And we're going to put a little bit on top of it. Okay. Yeah. That's the one I'm using right now. The Arrival. Smells so good. Alright. Look at that. So that look nice with the steak and everything and the vegetables. So that's what I'm saying to you. This is amazing. Trust me. You need to try this at home guys. Alright. Yeah man. So we got the steak in it. We got red onion, lots of tomato and some pork chow, carrot. Wow. Yeah man, this is amazing. This one we're calling about. This is what we're talking about. But this one is not a long one, guys. It's a very, very quick one, this. You know what I mean? Yeah. Beautiful. Alright, so we just use the arrival. We don't need nothing else inside of it. So nice. Look at that. That is what we're talking about. Pop chow with some steak and vegetable. Alright. Let me just taste it. Oh man, that's lovely. This is the rival season. I just put a little bit more in it. Here it is. Yeah man. You don't need nothing else in it, guys. It's only this alone you need. This is amazing, guys. This alone you need. Alright? Yeah. And just give it a stir. And not only that, it doesn't have a lot of salt in it neither, so yeah, you're good to go. Yeah man. So that look nice? Yeah. Beautiful and nice. Wow, don't jump out of the pot, man. Where you jump out of the pot I go? Stay in the pot. Yeah man. You have to stay in the pot, you know? Yeah. Don't jump out of the pot. You will get burned. Lovely. Look at that. Yeah man, look at that, guys. Alright, the only thing it need, to be honest with you, you need a little bit of salt. Alright, sea salt. Good to go. Alright. So as you can see for yourself, that looking fantastic and amazing. Alright. So it's a beautiful one. And I just want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys for watching. It's not going to be a long video. It's going to be a very quick video. And that's why I did it this way. A very quick and simple one from Chef Ricardo today. Alright. With the arrival season. My Instagram audience, big up on yourself. I'm not going to keep the video too long because it's a very quick video. Alright, but can't run the video too long. Alright, it's going to be too giant out. So I don't want to do that. So, alright, so big up on yourself. Whole heap of love and respect. Alright, shout out to every one of you guys. Let's turn off the cooker because this one is a very simple dish this evening from Chef Ricardo. Turn off the cooker. Alright, pan fried steak with some vegetable. Alright, with the arrival season. So, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo's show. And not only that, we will be coming with a lot more recipes like this, guys. So this can be served with rice. Or if you want to just have it on its own like this, you can just have it on its own. Alright? With the arrival season. Here it is. And that's what I use. 100%. Alright? The arrival is here. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in. And we'll have a lot more recipes coming. And a lot more ideas. Alright? So big up on yourself. And trust me, this one is just a simple one this evening. You know, we will be coming with a lot more like this. 100%. Alright? Thank you for watching. All of my food news, big up on yourself. Food news, thank you so much. And I will definitely see you with more recipe. I don't want to be keeping this video too long anymore. Alright? Thank you for watching. And definitely, guys, we will be coming with some more fantastic and an amazing recipe. Recipe which you never see before in your life. Alright, I just need the time to just start do this recipe, guys. This one is gonna be, this one is just a simple one, guys. Just take a good look at it as you can see it for yourself. Beautiful, the flavor and the texture of it, it is amazing. Alright, as I say, I got some steak left over and that's what I did. Alright, just make a lovely little steak in the evening, yeah. And trust me, You guys will love this one. Alright, it's a simple dinner, and you know what I mean, look at that, beautiful. And don't overcook your vegetables. Alright, leave some fire by night. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. Me love everyone. I know, big up on yourself, and you don't know what happen. Yeah, make the Lord bless you, guide you, and protect you. Alright, I know have a lovely evening. Follow me on my Instagram, IG, and my Facebook page. Big up on yourself.